Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I have a gel polish collab with Born Pretty, and they sent me 6 of these pink polishes to try out, all different shades of course. And yeah, so we're just gonna unbox these and I'm gonna be giving my honest review. But first we're gonna start off with the swatches, and I'm gonna let y'all know my thoughts while we do those. These polishes, I was expecting the same quality I get from Born Pretty as usual, but I feel like these were like, I don't know, something about these was different. Like, I really love these a lot. The usual quality I get from Born Pretty is good, but this is great. Like, I really love these polishes. And you can see as I'm swatching them here, they go on really smooth. They have a really nice color payoff from just the first coat. So far I'm really liking these polishes, and we've only just gotten started. Today I'm just going to be doing like a simple set. I think it's pretty simple, something that's easy to follow along. So I'm going to be doing a little tutorial like always. So yeah, if y'all recreate these, tag me. So those were just the first coats, and now I'm going to do second coats here on camera just so y'all can see how it looks with the second coat. And the second coat, obviously beautiful. It adds the vibrancy, it adds the opacity. It's very beautiful, and I love this glitter color. I'm going to actually be using 4 of these colors today. Surprisingly, I know they're all pink, so y'all probably wondering how I ended up using 4 different pinks, but when it comes to pink, it's my comfort zone. It is my comfort zone. Like, I love working with all different colors, but pink for me, like when I opened this and I had no set in mind, I just knew that I was gonna create something that I like. I mean, it's pink, so that's already a given. And so yeah, I just you know, I felt in my comfort zone because of these colors. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna be using these 4 colors, and yeah, I'm just gonna be only using those ones. And I'm gonna be doing an ombre. I did my thumb off camera by accident, but I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. It's easier. I want to preface this with the fact that it's easier to start with that darker color on the tip than it is to start like I am starting right now. But you can do it either way. I'm just letting y'all know there's an easier way to do it. It's by starting off with that darker color on the tip. I just didn't do that because I wasn't like thinking about it being easier. I was just thinking about how the fact that I had to get the design done. So yeah, I did end up doing it later on, but I don't know if I did it on camera or not, but I am letting y'all know about it. So moving on, well, not moving on, getting into this design, I'm doing an ombre, of course, and I'm just blending out this gel polish with the gel polish brush that comes with the bottle. And I find that this is the easiest way for me to do ombres. Any other way, and I don't know, I just struggle, and I don't have an ombre brush. Getting an ombre brush will make this 10 times easier, but for some reason I refuse to buy things that I actually need, so I still don't have one. And yeah, I would recommend you get one because it will make this a lot easier, and you wouldn't have to be so careful about it. When it comes to doing it this way, you have to use light pressure, and I would suggest using light pressure and small strokes, because otherwise you're gonna just end up brushing the other color off or mixing it too much. Something's gonna go wrong if you don't use the proper technique, if you're gonna be using the regular gel polish brush to blend your ombre. I hope y'all have been liking my videos recently. I feel like I don't think they've been shorter. It's just I've been trying to make the brand videos like on the shorter side, not only because it's easier when it comes to editing, and I have to do a lot of editing to these brand videos specifically, because I like to keep it nice and short and clean and professional. But I hope y'all don't mind that. And I hope y'all are loving my longer videos where it's not branded and I'm just doing my own thing, because obviously I still love those too. But the fact that these brands are reaching out to me and sending me this stuff for free, I mean, like, I've been so thankful for that, y'all. And I've never, like, honestly, when I started doing YouTube, I never thought I would get to this point. I feel like there was even a point where I was like looking at other people's content and being like, oh, they get free stuff, that is so cool. Like, that's so cool. I'm starting my channel, but I know I'm not gonna get there. I just knew that I was not gonna get there, even though I was wrong, because I am here. And I feel like it's because of y'all. So thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed and is continuing to support me. Thank you to my regular supporters and to the people who comment. I feel like my content has been getting away from me just a little bit. So I've been trying to reel it back in and do some more like extendo nails like I used to, because in my heart, truly, extendos are where it's at when it comes to nails. Like, I don't know where I would be without extendos. Oh my goodness. When it comes to doing extendos though, it takes up a lot more products, which is why I don't do them as often anymore. And also, I very much prefer to use acrylic when I'm doing extendos. And y'all, I just refuse to buy a big batch of monomer anymore. I refuse. I don't know why, I just refuse. I do plan on not buying, but trying polygel soon, hopefully. So I'm pretty excited about that. And hopefully polygel will replace acrylic for me. I don't want to completely replace acrylic, but I want to get to a point where I mainly am building up the nail with polygel. Obviously, I'm still going to need acrylic for other things. But yeah. I finished the rest of those nails off camera. I did 2 coats of that ombre, by the way, because if you don't do 2 coats, it's not gonna look blended. So next I'm going in with this glitter polish that came with the kit as well. It's so pretty, y'all, like so pretty. And I tried to keep the majority of the sequins towards the bottom of the nail because I wanted it to be kind of like an ombre with this glitter as well, but a subtle ombre. So I tried to keep most of the glitter towards the tip of the nail, and yeah, that's just the look that I wanted to go for. Now this glitter does have a tint to it, so keep that in mind, of course. I didn't mind it, I was expecting it. So yeah, the fact that my lighter color turned a little darker, I wasn't like confused or upset about it. That's what is to be expected if you're using a tinted glitter. So I'm just going to be applying that glitter to the rest of my nails. So I'm going to let that play out. And then we're going to get into doing like a double French tip. And also, don't mind my phone with a call on it. Just don't even mind that. So for this French, I wanted to do something different, like something that I don't normally do with Frenches because I'm scared to do it. I decided to do a regular French and then kind of like a line underneath. I don't know what it's called. I call it a double French. I don't know what the real name is for it. But yeah, I don't know how to guide y'all on how to do this. I just drew a regular French and then I just drew a line under it. I think if you practice Frenches and you have a good line brush, like you really need a good liner brush for this. I will have the liner brushes, all the nail art brushes I use, linked below all the time. And as well as this kit. This kit is on the Born Pretty store for $14.99, and you can use my code, which is in the description, for 10% off. If you are considering purchasing this kit, which I will recommend you purchase it because it is a very pretty kit. And Born Pretty is a very, very good quality company. They've been very supportive of me and other creators as well. So I would highly recommend them, y'all. Highly recommend them. And y'all can see I'm just a small creator. Like I'm a very small creator, and Born Pretty is reaching out to me and sending me this stuff. Support Born Pretty, y'all. Support Born Pretty. So in my description below is my code and the link. You don't have to use my code. I don't really earn commission, but it is an affiliate code and an affiliate link, just so y'all know. But yeah, 10% off with my link and my code. So yeah, go in my description if you're interested, and I'm gonna let the rest of this play out, and then we're gonna move on to blinging out these nails, because I didn't record the rest of these nails doing the French because it took a long time. So we're gonna move right on to the bling after I'm done with this thumb. I do like to wipe off my gel nails, my gel polish nails with alcohol and a lint-free nail wipe in between curing, just because I don't want to get any stickiness. I don't want any stickiness, and I don't want to get anything on the nails like dust or anything like that. So here are how all the Frenches are looking. It was time consuming. I'm gonna be putting some charms on. I could have left them like this, but if you know me, I'm not gonna leave my nails plain. So I'm gonna be blending these out a little bit. I'm gonna put this cute little bear charm on, and some pearls and some clear gems, and I'll have all of those things linked below as well, of course. And to adhere all of this, I'm using Born Pretty's 8-in-1 nail glue, and obviously it's 8-in-1, so it can do 8 different things, but today I'm just using it to adhere all of my bling. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit more here so it doesn't take too long, because it is just the same thing over and over again. I'm just putting pearls and little crystals on my nails, but pretty much after this the nails are done. I'm gonna give them a shiny top coat. I wonder like if they would have been cute matte. I don't know. Y'all can let me know in the comments if y'all think these would have been cute matte. I didn't actually see how they would look matte, because I was thinking about making these matte. It's glitter. I was not even thinking about it. So I just went ahead and made them glossy, but maybe they would have been cute matte. I don't know. Y'all can let me know below if y'all think so, but remember that this gel polish kit is in my description below. Like, remember that, and remember that my code is for 10% off. And yeah, that's gonna be it after I top coat the nails, and I hope y'all enjoyed this whole video. I hope that the tutorial was tutorialing. I hope that it was informative or whatever, and I hope it helped. And if it did, leave a like and a comment, and feel free to subscribe if you want. Do anything to show support. And yeah, let me know what y'all think of the nails below. Let me know if y'all would get this gel polish. Let me know what y'all think of this gel polish, and any other thoughts. If y'all would like me to do a set, recreate a set, like, just let me know. Just let me know anything. Just leave a comment. Hope to see you next time. Bye.